So we are starting day 2 of our big adventure. We have been working on this for what? Close to a month?
A little over.
A little over a month now. And we've got a big surprise coming later today. We've got to be where we need to be in about a little under half an hour. Yeah. So we're in a beautiful hotel room.
So in an undisclosed location.
Yeah, so we are about ready to get out of here and get going. Oh, I feel like I'm going to a final that I'm nervous about. A lot of time, effort, money, all that's coming down to this. Claim it's for show and that they haven't been able to unlock this ever. So fortunately for us, prepared people, we're gonna have to cut that off. So this is kind of a, I don't know, not a very nice thing to do to somebody, especially if you're gonna buy a house and you put a padlock on the gate and you don't give the person the combination. So the average person probably wouldn't have a grinder or a hacksaw or bolt cutters or something to cut this. This might take a couple minutes. Travel light. So I'm thinking to remove this said lock, which is said in our way, preventing our progress. This might be a 2-person deal.
Okay.
Because it's hanging from a chain, which will make it very, very challenging to cut.
Okay, so maybe I hold it taut or something?
Yeah, so I've got some pairs of channel locks.
Okay.
So one of us can hold it tight with the channel locks. And if you don't remember seeing this cutoff saw previously in a video, I did a review of it. Now you'll see it in a real world example. Long time in the works, but
so excited.
It's finally here. Cool.
falling down the hill. Yeah, like that. Glaciating, but it's not like snow, ice, whatever. That's a steep corner. So, how many feet do you think I am from you?
Like on the ground, flat?
Yeah, like right here.
6 feet away.
And I'm like
Probably
4 feet higher.
30 degrees slope, maybe?
Yeah, and there's no way you could tell it from the video, but it's crazy. Tracks in there.
Yes.
Wow. We are so happy about this property. It did not disappoint when we got to view it the first time. We were excited about it, but we actually came back and it actually seems better looking at it a second time.
Oh yeah.
At least that's for me.
Yeah. We signed papers on it and took possession of it a few days ago. Got out there, got to tour it, found a lot of things that we didn't know about it that are just even more awesome. And there's a lot more uncharted territory out there so far.
This has been a long time coming. I think it's been 9 or 10 years since we decided that we wanted to try and find property like this. And at one point we thought that it didn't exist.
Yeah.
So to find something that kind of checked all the boxes is just beyond exciting. And we have so much planned for you guys to see, and Dan can hardly contain himself.
Yeah, I want to tell you all about our ideas and everything, but you'll have to wait and stay tuned because we're going to start knocking them down one by one and taking you along.
Thanks for stopping by today. We hope that these videos encourage you to like, share, and subscribe, and then get out there and do something.